Hi there. In this lesson, we will learn how to calculate some basic statistical measures using NumPy, specifically mean, median, variance, standard deviation. Along with that, we are also going to see the minimum and maximum from a list. Okay? And yes, for that we are going to use NumPy. So what I recommend is go to terminal, click on new terminal, and we are going to install 3 packages. Alright, so just write here pip install. Next we need to mention libraries. So here we are going to use NumPy. I also recommend add pandas to it and matplotlib. So here we are going to install these 3 packages. Alright, now for me I already have installed, so it will show, yeah, see, requirement already satisfied. Okay, so what I will do, I will delete this terminal. So remember, pip install NumPy, pip install pandas, pip install matplotlib, or you can install multiple packages all at once using only one pip install and then mention all the packages, and between the packages names provide a space. That's it. Alright guys. So now first what I will do, I will proceed step by step. Let's create a list first. Okay. So let's say we have a list of numbers. Alright. Let's create a list and let's provide few numbers like say 15, 22, next 9, let's say 67, 85, next 94, and then again 33, and let's provide one more, say 21. Alright, so we have 8 numbers. Alright, so here we have a list, right? Next, let's first let's import NumPy as np. Okay. Next, what we will do, we are going to create one more variable, say np underscore list or np underscore array, whatever you prefer. And what we will do, we will write here np dot see here what are the methods that are there. See, you can take a look. So what we will use array, and it accepts a list. Okay, what we will do, we will type here numbers. So we are going to provide this variable. Alright, next let's save it. What I am going to show you now, let's print type of numbers. Okay, you already know this will be list, right? And also we are going to print type of np list. Okay, both of them are list only, right? But one of them is NumPy. Okay, so now let's go to terminal and let's write here Python there you go. So this is of type list and this is of type numpy dot nd array. Alright, okay, now the thing is let's print using f string, and let's write here say mean, and here we are going to provide np dot mean, and we are going to pass np list. Yes, that's it. Now you can also print if median np dot median. Again, you need to provide np underscore list. There you go. That's it. Next, variance. Print. This is all happening because of the power of numpy. Yes, friend. np.var. So what we are doing, we are converting a normal list into numpy array. Alright, and then we are performing these calculations. And there is one more, that is standard deviation. Print using f string standard deviation and also we can measure the minimum and maximum values from an array, from a numpy array. Yeah. So f, the minimum number is np dot min and same we can provide the maximum. The maximum value is np dot max. That's it. And now let's execute it. There you go. See here, friend. So we can provide comments to these. We don't need it now, right? Okay. So there you go. Here we have the mean, next median, next variance, next standard deviation. Alright, and the minimum number is 9. Is it true? Yeah, and the maximum is 94. There you go, friends. The mean is the average of the numbers. NumPy calculates it using np.mean by summing all elements and dividing by the total number of elements. The median is the middle value when the data is sorted. If there's an even number of elements, NumPy returns the average of the two middle numbers. The variance tells us how much the values are spread out from the mean. A low variance means the values are close to the mean, and a high variance means they are spread out. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. It gives us a sense of how spread out the data is in the same unit as the original values. To summarize, using NumPy makes it incredibly easy to compute basic statistics with just one line of code per measure. These operations are foundational in data analysis and are used in everything from descriptive analysis to machine learning. Try experimenting with different numbers in the array and observe how the mean, median, variance and standard deviation change. It's a great way to build your intuition about data.